G'day, Shane here from Team Penny at HKY Real Estate. Here we are again with a finance update with Craig from Home Loan Republic.
G'day, Shane.
Good morning, how are you?
Well.
That's good. Okay, one thing we do offer our clients on a fairly regular basis is a finance health check. Craigo, when we send somebody along to you, what do you do with a finance health check?
So basically, with a finance health check, we often like to do these with clients every sort of 12 to 18 months just to make sure that their rate and package is obviously the most competitive and still the most appropriate for their situation.
Yep.
So it's just a simple fact of, getting a bit of understanding when you send a client through for a health check is, what is their current situation, who's their current lender, what do they owe, what sort of rate are they on, is that particular package still most appropriate? And it's just a simple case of identifying, is this rate actually competitive for the client still? Because oftentimes what we see is clients might have been on an introductory rate, a fixed rate or something like that has expired. And then what will then happen is they'll just revert back to the bank standard variable rate. And often clients, very, very busy in their lifestyle or whatnot, don't even realise in a lot of cases this has happened. So they might go, another 12, 18 months, 2 years, whatever it might be on this higher rate.
Right.
So we can very quickly identify, hey, that you're potentially paying 2% more than you should be, reprice it with the bank, and often save them in some cases, considerable amounts of interest.
Which you have done in the past for a couple of our clients, which is great. So what does that cost, mate? Is there a cost to this service?
There's no cost for me to do that for the clients. We're happy to do that as an added service to HKY clients, as for our own Home Loan Republic clients as well. And a lot of the times where we're doing these home loan health checks for clients, we're not actually having to even refinance their home loan. It's simply approaching their existing bank for a further discount. We know how to go about doing that for them.
Right.
And we know how much to ask for because we know what the other competitors are doing. So,
who doesn't want to save money?
That's right. So, and again, if the bank who we are approaching for these discounts does want to come to the party and offer something a bit more competitive, obviously then we can look to the path of refinancing to a different bank if it makes economic sense for the client because, again, we can save them maybe up to 2.8% by going somewhere else. And it's also worth noting that a lot of these banks are now offering refinance cashbacks as well, up to the amount of $4,000. So basically refinance your home loan, get a better rate, lower your payment, whatnot, and then have $4,000 either stuck back into your home loan redraw or into your bank account. So
pretty good idea to say about every 12 to 18 months, just get Craig to run over, see where it's at. Look, if he can save you some money, he will. If you want to know more, link underneath, get in touch with Craig. If you want any any real estate advice, give us a call on 0418 911 256. We'd love to have a chat.